Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Ioni. I am from Graphic Tutorials division, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add color from an image in Adobe Indesign. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more graphic design tutorials. Now let's begin and open the program, create a new document and go to File and New. Now I want to choose this size and click on Create. And in the properties panel I want to hide the guides and click on this icon. And now let's add an image, so click and drag the image in program or go to file and place and just click and drag the image. And now let's create a few shapes. So in the left side click on this rectangle tool and click and drag. If you press shift you create a shape proportionally. If you press space on the keyboard you can just move the shape in document. So create the shape, click on the selection tool on the left side, and with this shape selected click on eyedropper tool. And now you can just pick a color from this image and let's choose this color. If you want to pick another color, you can see if you add, it's not added on the shape, and you must press Alt or Option to add another color. So let's choose this color, and now I want to duplicate the shapes, so press Alt or Option and you see this double arrow and you just duplicate the shapes. If you press shift you can duplicate in the same line, and let's choose both shapes, press Alt on Option and duplicate, press shift in the same line. Okay, now with this shape selected click on eyedropper tool and I want to choose another color. Okay, and I want to choose, let's say, this color. Okay, now another way, if you want to add a group of colors from an image, in the left side click on this color theme tool. You can just click on image and you see it's added a group of colors from this image. If you click on this icon it appears a few options from this image. So now if you want to add these colors to swatches, go to window, color and click on swatches to appear this panel. You must click on this icon and in this first line it's added to swatches, and click on this icon and you see it's added in the swatches panel. Okay, if you want you can just click another group of colors, click on swatches and it's added on these swatches. So let's stay on the first group of colors, and if you want to add on these libraries, these colors, click on this icon to add my current library, and in this libraries click on window and check these libraries and click on this icon and you see these colors is added to your library. Maybe you want to use these colors in another Adobe program like Photoshop or Illustrator, so you must add this to save in these libraries. And with this color selected click on this group, you can group them, new color. Okay, and now if you want you can select a shape and just select a color from this new group of colors. Okay, and this was the tutorial for how to add colors in Adobe InDesign. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more graphic design tutorials. Thank you.